Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install mods for The Sims 4 step by step. This method is simple and works on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to thesimsresource.com. Browse the site, or use the search bar to find a mod you want. Click on the mod to open its page. Scroll down and download the file. If you are using a free account, wait for the download timer to finish. The mod will usually download as a zip file or a package file. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder. Inside Documents, open the Electronic Arts folder. Then open the Sims 4 folder. Look for a folder named Mods and open it. If the Mods folder does not exist, right-click, create a new folder, and name it Mods. Now, go back to the downloaded file. If the mod is in a zip file, right-click on it and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder and look for files that end with .package. These are the files the game uses. Copy these files. Go back to the mods folder inside the Sims 4 folder and paste the files there. Make sure you do not paste zip files directly into the mods folder. After this, launch The Sims 4. On the main menu, open Game Options. Go to the Other section. Check the box next to Enable Custom Content and Mods. Click Apply Changes. Close the game and restart it. Your mods are now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.